Hey, Scott here. Today I want to talk to you about the tools I just picked up from Harbor Freight. I think over in Canada you folks have a place called Princess Auto. And well, these are for Harbor Freight tools. It's a 61 piece set of impact sockets. And I'm trying to figure out how best to make it fit into my tool chest. And here's what I came up with. Alright, so today we're going to do a little upgrade. Down here, my drawer that has impact sockets. Been this way for many years, but it's time for an upgrade. And there it is. I bought myself the 61 piece Master Impact Socket set. Quinn is the brand name, and I got this from Harbor Freight. It's got a lifetime warranty on it, 1/2 inch drive, and it comes in a case. But I won't be needing a case, so wait till you see what I'm going to do. Alright, I've already opened up this end. Let's get it out of the box. Whoa, that is cool. Let's get a closer look here. So as you can see, we've got both standard and metric deep well sockets, and around the outside we've got standard and metric regular sockets. We've got some socket extensions and universal bit. It looks like we go from 7/16 all the way up to 1 1/4. In the metric, we start at 10 and we go all the way up to 24. Part of the reason for getting this set is because my other set that you just saw, it also came from Harbor Freight, but it's missing some sizes, a couple of sizes that I actually need from time to time, especially if I'm doing brakes on my truck, and just decided it was time to upgrade. But like I mentioned before, this case does nothing for me. I'm not going to be carrying this thing around. It's going in the tool chest. And here's how I'm going to make it fit in the tool chest. We flip it up here on the end, get to the hinges. And I've got a little punch. By the way, this came from Harbor Freight as well. Put it back down. And there we go, the top is off. Now let's go back to the drawer. Alright, so back at the drawer with the old impact sockets, we're going to take the drivers and put them in the drawer above where the torque wrenches are. That's a good fit. And the rest of the stuff, we're going to make it go away. Alright, so now with the drawer empty, let's take some dimensions. We're looking at just a little over 22 and about 15 1/4 and 2.5 inches deep. So let's go get our sockets. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Look at that. And it even closes. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Just for giggles, The case itself is a little over 21 that way. About 14 1/4 that way. And obviously less than 2.5 inches high without the top on it. And still room left for the breaker bar. So there we go. Looking forward to making my using my new impact sockets. And my old socket set, I frequently use the 9/16 and the 5/8 for taking off lawnmower blades, and I had them painted accordingly. And so I'll have to specially mark these. Well, I guess I don't have to specially mark these. They're pretty well labeled. So I might put some paint on for quick identification. But these sockets are kind of cool. I mean, besides the large print there, it's actually stamped in the side. So if you ever do wear that off, you still know what size it is because it's imprinted into the back side. So there we go. We got the upgrade. Thanks for watching.